Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking these Trader Joe's Thai coconut pancakes in the air fryer. So they're sold in the frozen dessert section, and we're cooking them straight from frozen, no need to defrost. It's super easy. Just open up the package and put it in the air fryer. So take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to separate them and put them in the air fryer in a single layer. Perfect. And now let's put the air fryer back in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these coconut pancakes. They look amazing. So nicely browned on the outside and perfectly cooked inside. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. They look so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So good. Look at this creamy coconut in the middle. So it has a crispy exterior and a creamy, sweet inside. This is a perfect combination. Tastes so good, so addictive. I feel like I could probably finish them all in one sitting. They're so good, you will love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!